Hi everyone! So as you know, Thursday the 16th of April would have been our attic club night, and since we're not able to all be together at this time, we're going to be hosting some events on Zoom instead. So we thought it would be good to just make a short tutorial to try and support you to get onto Zoom. So I'm just going to walk you through the stages of downloading the app, signing in and joining in one of the events. So first of all, we have to search for Zoom. So we click onto the Zoom website, and up here, the top right hand corner, we can click on sign up, it's free. Okay, so firstly we enter our birthday. And hit continue. So now we have two options. If we have a Facebook account, it's very simple. We can click here, sign in with Facebook, and then it'll take you through the stages for that. If not, it's no problem because we can sign up with our email account. So I'm going to enter my email address here, and then I'm going to click sign up. And I'm going to click confirm in orange. So now Zoom has sent an email to my email address to check that it's me. So all I have to do is log into my email account, and here is the email from Zoom. So I'm just going to click activate account here. And then Zoom's going to ask me a few questions. So, are you signing up on behalf of the school? No, I am not. Perfect. So now it asks for some more details. So I'm going to fill in my name and make up a password. Then I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so the next step is to download the Zoom app. So I'm going to search for it. I'm going to type Zoom download. Okay, and I'm going to select this first one, Zoom Client for Meetings, and hit on to download. So now we have to open the application that we've downloaded. So we just hit continue and install. And it might ask us for the password for our tablet or laptop. And when it's ready, then we can sign in with the details that we entered earlier. So we put in our email address and our password. And hit sign in. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to join us in one of our Zoom events. Okay, so we're going to send you a link either by email, or you're going to see the link on our Facebook pages. So what we do is we click onto the link. So I'm going to click on the link Rosie has sent out, and that's going to open this page, and it's going to ask if I want to open Zoom. And there is an option, if you haven't managed to download the app, you can click join from your browser here. But if you click this, you're only going to be able to see one person's video. So if possible, it's far better to download the app. So we're going to click open Zoom, which takes us to the app. And it's going to log us in, we don't have to do anything. And here we are. Okay, so I'm going to click join with computer audio so that people can hear me.
I hope she didn't hear that.
And so you'll notice that my video is not on at the moment, and that's easy to fix. So I'm just going to go down to the bottom, and on the left hand corner there is a button which I can click on to start my video. There I am. Hello.
Hi, Beth.
Hi.
Just to get one person and we've got a full house.
How is everyone?
Leanne's trying to get her audio to connect.
Ah, okay.
So I think she's going to try it on her laptop. But apart from that, all good.
Perfect. Are we all excited for Thursday? Hopefully we're going to have loads of people on Zoom. Okay, so now that we've joined the Zoom meeting, we have different options of what we want to see on the screen. So just now, I'm able to see whichever person is speaking. So right now that is Andrew. But up here, on the top right-hand corner, we have Gallery View. And if I click on Gallery View, it's going to show me everyone all at once, so I can see everybody's faces. There's also an option down here that we can click on to chat, and I can type a message. Sometimes that's good if there's a lot of people in a call because everyone trying to speak at the same time can get a bit confusing, so it can be good if you would like to just write a message instead. Okay, and when you're ready to exit the Zoom call, you'll see there's a button down on the bottom right-hand corner that we can click on for leave meeting. So you just say bye to everyone and then hit leave. Okay, so hopefully that's given you a good idea of how to download Zoom so that you can join us for some of our online events. It might look slightly different depending on which browser or which device you're using. If you're having any problems, please let us know and we'll try to help. But we hope to see as many of you as possible on Zoom soon. Bye!